Okay, here are a couple central air conditioning units at a commercial building in Iowa City. Here is a Goodman unit. Currently not running. This unit is a 510, I think, from 2023. Has a couple and scroll compressor. This 13.4 SEER unit. And then here is a Daikin inverter minisplit unit. This unit's running. This unit is a 1.5 ton from 2022, I think. And yeah, this is a inverter unit. Suction line is ice cold and sweaty. But yeah, these two units are located at a commercial building in Iowa City. I've never filmed that before. And this Goodman's not been running. But yeah, just trying to get a quick video. These two units. Anyways, thanks for watching.